Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to visualize your data in a simple, clear, and visually appealing way, then you're absolutely in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a dot plot using Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to transform your raw numbers into a dot plot that makes patterns in your data pop out at a glance, perfect for presentations, reports, or just understanding your data a little better. Alright, let's jump right in. So the first thing you'll need is your data. If you've already got your data ready in a Google Sheet, perfect. If not, take a moment now to type it in or copy and paste it from wherever you have it stored. Try to keep your numbers or categories organized in columns or rows, depending on what you're comparing, because a tidy setup here will make everything else flow smoothly. Think of this like prepping your ingredients before you start cooking. It'll make the actual process so much easier. Once your data is set, we're going to harness Google Sheets charting capabilities. Look towards the top menu and find Insert. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a drop-down list. This is your gateway to all sorts of visuals. From here, you want to choose Chart. This will instantly pop up a default chart, usually a column or line graph. But don't worry, we're going to fine-tune this so it actually becomes a dot plot. Now here, where the magic happens, over on the right side of your screen, a chart editor will open. In the chart editor, take a look at the chart type dropdown. This is where you get to pick exactly how your data should be displayed. Scroll through the options until you spot the dot plot. In some versions of Google Sheets, you might see this labeled as a scatter chart, which is Google Sheets' version of a dot plot. If dot plot is an option, select it directly. But if your Sheets account doesn't have that label, just pick scatter chart. It's essentially the same, plotting each data point with a single dot. Why is this step important? Well, selecting the right chart type ensures your data is being shown in the clearest way for your audience. Unlike a bar chart, a dot plot really emphasizes individual values, making trends or clusters super easy to see. It's especially handy when you want to avoid clutter, or when lots of data points might overlap in other chart styles. You might notice your chart doesn't look quite perfect just yet. Don't worry, it's totally normal. Sometimes Google Sheets needs a little nudge with settings. If your dots are not aligning as you expect, double-check your data range in the chart editor and make sure your X and Y axes match the data you want to display. You can also tweak colors, labels, and other settings to make your chart match your style or fit into your report. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've turned plain data into an instantly understandable dot plot. This kind of visualization is surprisingly powerful for spotting outliers, trends, or just communicating results clearly to others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or want to share how you're using dot plots in your own work, definitely drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks for getting the most out of your Google Workspace tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.